Well, everything seems a bit calmer in the pond today. Fish are all swimming around quite happily. It is cold again. I say there's no sun out once more, but I can't see any fish. There's one little fish. When I say little, there's a 10-inch, 12-inch fish over in the far corner there, which is next to the pump. Again, obviously its pump is giving some heat off, probably only very minor heat, but the fish can detect it, so it's lying down next to it. Blackbird there coming for its food. Knows I'm going to feed the fish. It's a bit late because I've already fed them, but they're not eating. They don't seem to be eating. As I've said, it is quite cold today. The blackbird sneaking into the summer house, goes in and gets the food. It's like a little Hoover. When I spill the fish food in there, it goes in and gets it. There's normally 3 of them. There's also, believe it or not, there's a little robin that's coming around this time of year, and little robin. Let's go and see what the pond temperature is today. Let's say it is quite cold today. Let's see, there's the food that the skimmers picked up. They've been putting food in for them and they're still not eating. Yeah, blackbird back again. I say I've got all this area to clean up as quick as I can. There's a blackbird up there. Waiting for me to put the fish food in. Temperature today is 13, so still cold. I say to put the food on the water there, and they're not interested in eating anything. Taking the fish out of the pond. Did that this morning, one by one. Gave each of them a scrape. Not a thing on them. So it's question: is there something in the pond? Is there an infection of some sort? I don't know. I've just put in some medication. I don't like using anything other than salt, but I thought I'd put some of this in, half a dose anyway, of aquafavin. I put half a dose in the pond, and I put another half a dose in tomorrow. I don't like using chemicals. My number one turn to has always been salt, because I've always believed that anything in your pond is immune to most of the chemicals, because people keep using them all the time, but they've got no resistance against salt. Blackbird there's waiting for me to move so it can come down and get the food. But the fish seem to be reasonably okay today. Not as lively as they normally are, except for the little one down there, which is staying down near the pump. I did take that out. That was the first one I took out. I did a full scrape on it, both sides, and it's got nothing on it at all. So as a precaution, I went through all the other fish, taking them out one by one, There's no one just gone down next to their pump. Obviously the pump is giving some heat off. As a precaution, I took all the other fish out and gave them all a scrape and found nothing whatsoever on them. So I'm back to square one, really finding out why I've lost all the fish I have. It can only be the temperature. Like I say, temperature last night dropped way down. It went down to 6.6, 6.7. It's very, very cold. And today it's slow warming up. There's no sun out, it's overcast. And it looks like we're going to get a lot of rain. Anyway, there it comes. Come all around the pond looking for food that I've dropped. I'm taking it off the pond, is it? Yes, it is. I think that must be how that one died in the pond. I think it's been reaching for the food and then it's fallen in and couldn't get back out. What I'm going to have to do is put a little bit of netting down beside the skimmer so that if one does fall in it can get up the netting. Off it goes. Right then, that's all for the day for the moment. I'm going to get on with doing the electrics which I need to do. So I hope if you watch this you'll subscribe and give me some encouragement to do more and better videos. Thank you for watching.